going next. This is about maximizing your storage. This is from Poppet, and this is a set of 2 wire sliding and stackable drawers. So you think, well, how do they work, Sam? So if you have a Poppet shelf, these fit in brilliantly. And actually, let me show you the colors and then we'll get into what they do. So we have it available in the white. We also have them available in the black. And then we have 2 more colors. This is the pewter. And if you can kind of see that next to the black, you can see that it is almost gray. And then we also have it in the bronze, which we're going to show you on QVC.com. Oh, do you know what I realized? I'm still wearing the Lexi hearing aid. Kyle, don't go anywhere. Oh, he's not hearing me. But that's how great those hearing aids are, that you don't even realize you're wearing them. So this is what you're getting. And the way that these work is that they slide on. So if you have a pantry shelf, if you have a stacking storage, you could even put this onto an existing shelf that you just slide it on. Even on your kitchen island, if you have an island that overhangs, like with quite a large overhang, you just slide it on. So imagine, you know, this is a drawer in your, or a shelf in your kitchen cupboard, and then all you do is just slide it, the drawer goes here, and then that gives you all of that storage underneath. So if you have one of those strange bathroom cabinets that doesn't really have, you know, it's kind of under the sink but it has one small shelf, you can slide this in, and then suddenly you have neat, tidy storage. And this is what we've done here. So we've given you, we've got shampoo, we've got the hairdryer. That's often one where we don't really know how to store it. This one doesn't have a cable because TV, but usually you've got that cable and it's like, well, what do I do with that? This is a great way to be able to store anything that you kind of want to put in a way that is neat without it rolling around, because it has a specific place and a place for everything. Another way that we've done, I mean, this could be towels, but if we're thinking bathroom, this could also be toilet paper, that you could have those extra rolls rather than them being in the ugly packaging that comes from the store or just sitting in there, that they could have a specific place in the bathroom. Again, the way that you're doing this, so you're just taking this and you're sliding it onto a shelf, and that's how it works. But also think about it in other places like the pantry. You can even use this in the freezer. So anywhere where you have a shelf, you simply just fold this onto the shelf itself and slide it on, and then you're going to have this hanging storage underneath. So maybe, they will say keep garlic and onions and potatoes in a dark place, and where do you keep that? You could think about lining this with some brown paper or newspaper, and then you've got great storage in a place that is cool and it is dark, so that you're not going to be having that garlic that's turning bad, or those potatoes that are sprouting, well, unless you leave them in there way too long, just by taking advantage of the storage that you already have. And maybe in the kitchen, if you've got a nice white kitchen and you're thinking, well, I want to maximize my storage, because so many of us have it where very quickly the kitchen starts to get full and there's no more room. But if you have a drawer, if you have a shelf, you can slide this on and then maximize that space. So anything that is in a bag, think about your rice, think about anything that maybe doesn't stand up right and look neat and look tidy, that you can pop it into here, slide it on, and just maximize the storage space that you already have just by adding the Poppet. This is a set of 2 wire sliding, and they're also stackable drawers. So it's really just adding in additional space to the space that you have. V58813 is your item number. These are powder coated steel and they hold up to 22 pounds. So I mentioned potatoes before. Think about how many potatoes that is. That's a lot of potatoes, but it is a lot of storage if you're thinking about your canned goods in your pantry or your dried goods in your pantry, that this really can hold all of that and maximize the storage that you already have just by taking advantage of the space that you have from any shelf in your pantry, in your freezer, or in your cabinet. So this is the white, and remember, you're getting a set of 2. This has been the most popular, lots of you coming in for this. It's $8.33 on 3 Easy Pay, and remember, you're getting 2 for that price of $24.99, which basically means they're $12 each for powder coated steel. Then this is the black, and then we saw the pewter. So these ones we've kind of decorated so that you get an idea of how they work. So if you're tuning in thinking, I don't get it, Sam, this is what it does. Take your shelf, slide it, and then it's hanging from your shelf. Your shelf is what's supporting it for up to £22. That was the pewter, and then we also have the bronze. Now, we have something else from Poppet coming up a little bit later on in the show.